Hello friends. In today's video, we're exploring Amazon's best sellers in kitchen and drying gadgets. From handy kitchen tools to innovative drying solutions, these gadgets will simplify your daily tasks. Make sure to stick around for our top picks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great content. So friends, let's start the video.
Oil dispenser. The Kitchen Maiden 2 in one oil dispenser by Cassiab offers a sleek design in a sophisticated black finish, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen space while maintaining functionality. This product features a dual functionality that allows users to dispense both oil and vinegar with ease, catering to a variety of culinary needs. One of the standout attributes of this oil dispenser is its precise pouring mechanism, which ensures that you can control the amount of liquid being dispensed. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are mindful of their portion sizes or experimenting with new recipes. The design effectively minimizes spills and drips, promoting a cleaner cooking environment. The Kitchen Maiden's body is crafted from durable materials, enhancing its longevity without compromising on style. The transparency of the dispenser allows users to monitor the contents easily, ensuring that you never run out unexpectedly.
Sweet Home Collection Dish Drying Rack. The Sweet Home Collection 2-piece dish drying rack set. Drainer is a compact and efficient solution for your kitchen. This set includes a sturdy dish rack and a separate utensil holder, offering ample space for drying dishes and cutlery. Made from durable materials, it resists rust and stains, ensuring long-term use. The sleek design fits perfectly on most countertops, maximizing space. The rack's open-wire construction allows for quick drying. Non-slip rubber feet keep it stable during use. Easy to clean and maintain, it's ideal for small kitchens or limited spaces. Stylish and functional, it complements any kitchen decor.
Pressure washer. The LWQ electric pressure washer stands out as a powerful and efficient solution for various cleaning tasks around the home and yard. With a maximum pressure of 4,200 psi, this model is designed to tackle tough grime, dirt, and stains, making it suitable for everything from driveways and patios to vehicles and outdoor furniture. Weighing in at just 15.2 pounds, the pressure washer remains portable while offering substantial cleaning power. Its corded electric power source ensures consistent performance without the hassle of gas refills, making it an eco-friendly and convenient choice. The vibrant green color adds a touch of style to its functional design, appealing to both practical and aesthetic preferences. The 23-foot hose length provides generous reach, allowing users to cover larger areas without constantly shifting the unit. This extended hose, combined with the product's compact dimensions, 14L into 11W into 18H, means it can fit into tight spaces.
Chicken shredder. The Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, a large TENS Pro meat shredder, is designed to make shredding chicken breasts and other meats quick and effortless. Its unique twist-action design shreds meat evenly in seconds, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it's safe to use and easy to clean. Whether you're preparing pulled chicken for tacos, sandwiches, or salads, this tool ensures consistent results with minimal mess. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for easy twisting, and the large size allows you to shred bigger portions in one go. Ideal for home cooks or BBQ enthusiasts, it's a must-have for efficient meal prep.
Tumbler Flip Straw Lid. This 40-oz tumbler with a flip straw lid is designed for maximum convenience and hydration. Crafted from high-quality, durable stainless steel, it keeps your drinks cold for hours or hot for an entire day. The flip straw lid makes sipping on the go easy and spill-proof, perfect for workouts, road trips, or daily commutes. Its large capacity ensures you stay hydrated all day without frequent refills. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand or car cup holder. The tumbler is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free. Whether it's iced coffee or water, this tumbler is a reliable companion for your hydration needs. Stay refreshed anytime, anywhere.
Tablecloth. The Pureg plastic tablecloth presents a practical solution for various occasions, blending functionality with a clean aesthetic. With dimensions of 108 inches in length and 54 inches in width, this rectangular tablecloth is designed to accommodate standard dining tables comfortably, making it ideal for both everyday meals and special gatherings. Crafted from durable plastic, the material offers excellent resistance to spills and stains, ensuring that maintenance is hassle-free. This feature is particularly advantageous for family gatherings, outdoor events, or parties where messes are inevitable. The white color provides a classic and versatile backdrop that can complement any table setting, enhancing the visual appeal of your dining experience while remaining understated enough to fit in seamlessly with various decor styles. In terms of usability, the Pureg tablecloth is lightweight and easy to clean. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is often sufficient.
Echo Show. Amazon Echo Show 5 is a compact smart display with Alexa, perfect for your bedside or kitchen. It features a 5.5-inch screen for watching videos, making video calls, checking weather updates, or displaying photos. With Alexa built in, you can control smart home devices, set alarms, and stream music, all with voice commands. The Echo Show 5 also offers privacy features, including a built-in camera shutter. It's ideal for staying connected, managing your day, and even following recipes while cooking. Simple to use, it adds both convenience and entertainment to any room.
Mini Freezer. The Bangson upright freezer with a compact capacity of 1.1 cubic feet is an ideal solution for those seeking additional storage without compromising space. Its dimensions of 18.5 inches in depth, 18 inches in width, and 19.1 inches in height make it suitable for small apartments, dorm rooms, or as an extra unit in a larger home. The sleek black finish paired with stainless steel door material adds a modern touch that can seamlessly blend with various kitchen styles. Its design does not only prioritize aesthetics, functionality is at the forefront. The freezer provides ample storage with a thoughtful layout that accommodates a range of food items, from frozen meals to ice cream. The adjustable shelves ensure that you can customize the internal space according to your needs, ensuring convenience for various types of food storage. In terms of performance, the Bangson upright freezer operates efficiently, maintaining consistent temperatures while minimizing.
Satin pillowcase. The BedSure satin pillowcase for hair and skin in queen size is designed to provide a smooth and luxurious sleeping surface. Made from high-quality satin, it reduces friction on your hair, preventing breakage and frizz, while also being gentle on your skin, helping to minimize wrinkles. The pillowcase's soft, silky texture ensures a comfortable night's sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed in the morning. It's hypoallergenic and breathable, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Available in a variety of colors, it complements any bedroom decor. Easy to care for, it's machine washable and durable for long-lasting use.
Fingerprint-proof dish drying rack. The Happiness. DSH103B Simple 20.5. Fingerprint-proof stainless steel dish. Drying rack offers a sleek and durable solution for your kitchen. Made from fingerprint-proof stainless steel, it maintains a clean and polished look with minimal maintenance. The spacious design can accommodate a variety of dishes, from plates to large pots. Its integrated drip tray efficiently collects water, preventing countertop messes. The rack includes a detachable utensil holder for added convenience. Non-slip feet provide stability, keeping the rack securely in place. Easy to clean and rust-resistant, it's built for long-lasting use. The modern design complements any kitchen decor, ideal for those seeking both style and functionality in their kitchen.
Bathroom rugs mat. The Olanley bathroom rug mat, sized at 30x20 inches, offers a soft and plush feel underfoot, making it perfect for stepping out of the shower or bath. Made from ultra-absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water to keep your bathroom floor dry and safe. The non-slip backing ensures the mat stays securely in place, reducing the risk of slipping. Its modern design and variety of color options make it easy to match with any bathroom decor. Easy to clean, this durable mat is machine washable for hassle-free maintenance. It provides both comfort and functionality, making it a great addition to any bathroom.
4 USB ports. This 6FT surge protector power strip offers 8 widely spaced outlets, perfect for accommodating large plugs and adapters. It also features 4 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, including smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. With 2100 joules of surge protection, it safeguards your electronics from power spikes and fluctuations. The 6-foot cord provides flexibility in placement, making it ideal for home offices, entertainment centers, or workspaces. Its overload protection ensures safe use, and the heavy-duty design guarantees durability. The sleek, space-saving design keeps your area organized and clutter-free while powering all your essential devices.